welcome to Salon Noah TV. I'm Fani, owner here at Salon Noah.
And I'm Nicole J, manager here at Salon Noah. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Salon Noah TV. So,
today's topic,
that is the look of somebody about to get told something.
Today's topic is DIY.
Dun dun dun.
Do it yourself.
Listen, it gets so deep.
Real deep.
It gets so deep. Can we first talk about some things that you should not do yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can talk about what you should not.
Okay.
Yeah, let's talk about what you should not.
Let's not make our own shampoos.
Yeah. There's no need. Why would you? There's just loads of products, stuff all over the world. You would take a blender and make your own shampoo?
I mean, they do it. They use rainwater and Brussels sprout juice.
No.
French onion soup.
No.
They do it though.
Yeah, but no. Let's don't do it ourselves.
Okay.
Yep. So no to shampoo.
No to making shampoo.
Okay.
Mainly though, guys, because you got to think about these companies put in a lot of research. And I'm not saying that you don't. They put in a lot of research to be able to come up with formulations that are going to be able to work with specific hair. Yeah. Although a lot of it probably is a little bit of marketing propaganda.
Yeah.
But
they
have chemists who put these things together to be able to formulate these things for you. If you go and put something in your hair and you don't know that you're allergic to it until after you put it in your hair, you just made a big old batch of nothing.
This is true. A batch of nothing is true.
This is true. So we're just going to leave that up to the professionals.
Yeah, no, definitely. I agree. The chemists, they're trained. They know which products work well with which hair type. So I suggest to go with that.
I do too.
I do.
What about using your household items? You know, your Vagisil, your Vicks.
Ooh. Go to the medicine cabinet?
Yeah, for your hair.
No. Don't go to the medicine cabinet. No, that's a no. Don't do that. No, let's use professional products, like products you can buy in the stores, products
for your hair.
You can purchase at a salon, products that are designed for hair care.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with that option. Okay. Yeah, the DIY for me is a no.
Okay.
Yep.
I could.
I always say DIY equals do not.
In most cases, I'm gonna go with that.
You gonna go with that?
I am.
DIY equals do not. It's a no. Yeah,
specifically though, because a lot of the times when you come into these natural hair salons, let me say this first. Let's say this disclaimer first.
Okay.
There are a lot of naturals who do it yourself. They do it themselves. They believe that they are giving themselves the best hair care based off of what they feel their hair needs, their body needs, so on and so forth. However, if you have no idea what's going on in your head because you can't see it.
You can't see in the back.
You can't see at the top. You can't see at the side. You can see this good hairline right there, but that's about it.
Yeah, I agree.
How will you know what the overall health of your hair is?
Yep, you just got to go to the experts. You got to go to the next level. You got to go to people who are trained.
So you mean to tell me I can't take my avocado and mash it up?
I mean, you can, but you can, put your tortilla chips with
your
avocado. That's
gonna taste good.
That's gonna taste good.
That's gonna taste good.
Yeah, I don't need to put that in my hair. I just rather put it on the table. Yeah, that's just as me. I like products that I can be trained and educated on. I need to be able to go to the company when there's an issue. I need to call the company and say, hey, I have an issue with this product. When the avocado is bad,
you can't take it back to the farmer.
You can't go back to the.
You
can't go to the land.
No.
And try.
You can't use the SKU number either.
The SKU number won't work. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that. I'm gonna stick with the professional. Now let's talk about skincare.
Okay.
You know, because some people, they make their own mask at home. You know, they put things on their skin. What do you think about that, doing it themselves?
I'm not doing that.
You're not gonna do it yourself? You can just mix up. I mean, you can mix up. Some people put honey and things like that.
I recommend you going to see your local, highly sought after dermatologist or esthetician.
Yeah.
You know, because if you don't have skin issues, or even if you do, the esthetician is going to be able to help you figure out what's going to be good for your skin. You may have, just like your hair, you may have different areas in your head or on your face or skin that is going to require different types of products or different types of treatment. You can't go and do an all-over treatment for your face that has different things going on with it, just like your hair.
Yeah, I agree, and it comes down to your health.
Absolutely.
Some people do it themselves with your health. I don't advise that. I don't. You have to seek a professional, and it comes down with health, skincare, and your hair.
Absolutely.
You can't just decide, oh, you know, I'm gonna mix up. You know, I have a cold, so I'm just gonna drink soup. You know, eat soup,
because it could
and I'll
be
feel
something
better.
way different.
Yeah,
it could be something way deeper, even if it's a naturopathic doctor.
Yeah.
Those are people who have studied, you know, different herbs and oils and things of that nature that are going to be conducive to your body. Yes, you can read books all day long, but you can't diagnose yourself.
No, I wouldn't advise it. I've gone on the record saying that do not self-diagnose. That's going to cause issues. I mean, it can lead up and build up. And with concerning your hair, it can definitely cause hair loss.
Absolutely.
And once there's hair loss, sometimes you cannot come back from that.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, so DIY could lead to that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Not only are you going to be a DIY stressed out mess, but you're going to be a DIY stressed out bald head.
You don't have no hair with it? Oh man, that's just adding that thing up. Yeah, so today, DIY equals do not. Let's just don't do it.
Let's give it to the professionals. That's what they're there for,
Yeah.
you know? And that's in any area, whether it's skincare, hair care, health.
Yes.
Go to the professionals.
And now let's talk about cost too. Let's just go ahead and break down the numbers. Everybody love money. Everybody love numbers. Let's talk numbers. Okay?
Because Fonnie's a numbers girl.
Yeah, I'm a numbers girl, so I like my numbers. So let's say when we go to the grocery store, we get all these different types of fruits and things, you know, because we want to try to do it ourselves for our hair care. And we all know we go to the grocery store, it's going to be about $50, $60 in.
And you done spent your grocery list twice. One for your face and hair, and the other one for you to eat.
Now, you could bring $50, $60 up into the salon, and you can get some products that's going to last you
That's
about 3 to 4 months. Now, the things you get at the grocery store, they do, but it is fruits and vegetables. They do go bad.
Yes, they do.
Now, the products, we guarantee those.
Absolutely.
Those gonna last you. So if you mix up stuff and put it in a blender, let's put it next to the product that we're gonna put on the shelf. Let's go ahead and you know, line that up.
Right.
I think the thing you mixed in the blender is gonna mold
Way faster.
than the stuff.
Well, the
you
products
have.
aren't going to mold.
Yeah, no, they're not.
But they can become ineffective over a long period of time. Guys, remember that all of your products have an expiration date.
Yeah.
So if you want something that's going to be beneficial to you, you make sure that you get something that you're going to use within that time frame. Yeah. Don't try to go, you know, a year or two over that date, because it might not be as effective. And especially if you're thinking about your natural products and how natural products, they have the natural ingredients that usually settle at the bottom. Those are going to be your active ingredients, but anything that's going to have some type of shelf life is going to need some other ingredients in order to be able to preserve that shelf life. So definitely keep that in mind. Definitely keep in mind that, you know, what you may make in the blender and put in your nice mixing bowl at home might not be so effective. Definitely make sure you seek the professionals.
Yeah, seek the professionals. I hope we help someone today. That's most important. You know, cost-wise, we're talking about your health. We're talking about your hair health. Yeah, you want to make the right decisions, and you don't want to just mix up things that you've heard from others.
But Shay said.
No. She said use carrot juice.
Well, actually, she said I could use okra juice.
Okra juice. And put a little honey in your hair.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't advise that. You need to put products that are tested.
Absolutely.
That your stylist recommends. Because you're going to pick a stylist. You're going to get on a journey, a healthy hair journey. And that person's going to guide you and go with their recommendations. Trust the professionals. They can help you.
Agreed.
Yeah.
This was a hot but salty talk.
Yeah, it's salty. I hope nobody get a little bit mad.
They're gonna be a little salty,
a little set. You're gonna put comments at the bottom.
And I'm like, yes,
yeah, we did.
We did.
Yeah, we did. We want your hair to be healthy. That's important.
Absolutely.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in today.
Thank you. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you click the bell so that you know when we are airing another episode. And we will see you guys next time. Till then, adios.
I'm Fonnie, owner here, Salon Noah.
I'm Nicole J.
And y'all might as well just start right on over.